Guys, March 15, 2023. This one here, I got a call from a guy. He needs his oil burner cleaned, serviced. So, it's been like a year and a half from what he said on the phone. So, we'll go over there and give it the once over. I'm not sure if I've been there before or not. Still a little chilly here in the mornings. Kind of curious of what kind of condition the filter's going to be in. Just starting to experience this biodiesel around my area, which is not a good thing. So I'm kind of curious on how this is all going to unfold. Years ago, I mean, the oil was super clean. Back in the day, the oil used to be pretty nasty. You used to always have to change the filters, and then there was a little run there for 6-7 years where the oil was really, really clean, and the filters, I mean, you wouldn't have to change the filters. The thing would just be a little dark, you know. But now with this biodiesel stuff,
turn right on Wheat Road.
kind of things are kind of up in the air on how this is going to all work out, so unfold. We'll see when I get there. We're gonna have a good oil flow. That's one thing with oil. You need a good oil flow, or it's gonna be an issue. I got the burner off. Filter looks fine. That's fine there. What's wrong there? Get the air out. There it goes. The filter's nothing wrong with that. We'll leave it at. I got it off here. When I came here, this door was swinging the other way. It was out. It's been since 10/22/21. That's a year and a half. $110.80, that's a big nozzle. Yeah, she's all dirty, see it? See if the head's even on there. Yeah. We'll make some adjustments here. 125. Wow. 125.80. Goes for 110.80. Way oversized. So that's his problem. That's what we're gonna run right there. 1,000 times better. Electrodes are way off too. We'll fix that. They're way off. Look at that. They're way off. We're gonna bend them way in. Re-gap it. Wow. Still way off. It's better. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to check this here. See, this is loose. I'm gonna set that. Gauge here. Find out where we need to be. That should be it right there. That should be it. That's what the oil companies do, put big nozzles in there, sell you more oil. Let's see how it fires up. See how it fires up. See, this is wide open. I got to adjust that down. That has to go back. See how it's back now and it shuts? That's what that's for, to adjust the draft. We'll try it now. Perfect right there. See the draft we got over the fire? That's what we want. Perfect. Alright, so good filter at tank, new nozzle, reset electrodes, clean burner head, clean burner, and reset head. Reset draft over fire. Before that thing was out. Should be better now. We're ready to go. Smaller nozzle. Reset the electrodes. She's fine now. That damper thing was flapping in the wind. We're getting good draft over the fire. We're good. Alright guys, just left that job and it was, you know, the filter was fine. Drawer assembly was loose. The guy was running too big of a nozzle in there, and that was from the oil company, he said. So we, you know, checked the filter, put that back together. We changed the, we reset the drawer assembly, new nozzle, smaller size nozzle. Reset the electrodes, were way off. Had to reset the draft damper. The draft damper was flopping out. So I reset that, and then I set the draft over the fire. Had to basically shut the damper almost off to get the good proper draft over the fire. He was smelling oil and hard starting because the electrodes were way off. I had to bend them way in. Them electrodes probably should have been replaced, the electrodes, but I bent them way in, and it's starting up nice now. So told him to let it ride, and you can call me once a year. You should be fine. Just sometimes little adjustments like that is all you need. No big deal. 1 hour labor and a nozzle, that's all it was. So, he's happy. New customer. New happy customer, Miss Molly. Yeah, new happy customer. Guys would be over there getting their tablet out, selling them a new unit. Oh my God, it's old. Yeah. Told the guy, as long as the thing's not leaking, leave it alone. It is a leak cam, but it doesn't seem to be leaking. Leave it alone. Spend your money on your new wife. Take her out to eat. Buy her flowers. Yeah, I'm